We were in SM Quezon, or Lucena, sorry. Lucena, which is in Quezon. So, ito ang ating book sale haul in SM Lucena. So, nag-launch tayo at Bodies. And we have our haul at book sale Lucena. So, we have two. So, yan, medyo, this is 230, pero yan, we have to buy it. The Intuitive Way. Talks about a guide to living from our inner wisdom. So, yan. Tagal po natin pinag-isipan dahil medyo expensive siya. And there's another one, Designing and Leading Team-Based Organizations. So, magagamit natin sa consulting work natin. Ayan. So, we have these two haul from book sale in SM Lucena. Ayan. New learnings and knowledge. So, hindi po tayo magsasawa bumili ng books just to improve our knowledge on how to, we can share yung ating mga experiences in our life. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.